Learn Afrikaans verbs fast. Make equals.
maak,
I do equals.
ek doen.
Welcome and warm up. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly boost for learning Afrikaans. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll nail the difference between English, make, do, and Afrikaans.
Maak,
/
doen.
With super usable phrases you can say right away. Quick smile check. If you can say, I make coffee, and you do homework, you're winning. Let's go. Your goal today. You'll match each English idea to its Afrikaans partner and say it out loud like a pro. Make.
Maak,
I do.
ek doen.
You, sing, do.
Jy doen.
He does.
Hy doen.
She makes.
Sy maak.
It makes.
Dit maak.
We do.
Ons doen.
You, plural, do.
Julle doen.
They do.
Hulle doen.
Pro tip. Use.
Maak.
When you create a thing or result, make coffee, make a list, and use.
Doen.
For actions, tasks, do homework, do the dishes. Mini dialogues. Listen in, repeat after me, and enjoy the tiny drama. A. Can you make a plan? B. Sure.
Ek doen.
The call, and
Jy doen.
the notes. A. Who's on dishes? B.
Hy doen.
It now, relax. A. Tonight, who cooks? B.
Sy maak.
Pasta, and
Ons doen.
the cleanup. A. Can this tool help? B. Yes.
Dit maak.
The job easier. Coach, team, warm up. You, got it.
Julle doen.
Stretches,
Hulle doen.
sprints. Power phrases you'll use. Say these out loud, short, punchy, memorable. I make dinner every night. I
Maak.
dinner every night. I do my best.
Ek doen.
My best. You do it now.
Jy doen.
Did know. He does the homework.
Hy doen.
Die huiswerk. She makes a plan.
Sy maak.
In plan. It makes sense.
Dit maak.
Sin. We do the dishes.
Ons doen.
Die skotelgoed. You, plural, do the warm-up.
Julle doen.
Die opwarming. They do their best.
Hulle doen.
Poolbees. Culture tip. Maker energy. Here's a fun South African saying you'll hear in real life. There's a popular line, in bore.
Maak.
In plan, someone will always find a way to make it work. Remember, fixes and solutions often use.
Maak.
You make a plan, while ongoing chores often use.
Doen.
You do the work. Call and response drills. IQ English, you respond in Afrikaans, confident and clear. You, it makes sense. Say.
Dit maak.
Sin. You, we do it now. Say.
Ons doen.
Did know. You, she makes coffee. Say.
Sy maak.
Coffee. You, they do the report. Say.
Hulle doen.
Die verslag. You, plural, do the warm-up. Say.
Julle doen.
Die opwarming. You, I do what I can. Say.
Ek doen.
Wat ek kan. Lightning quiz. Quick hits, answer, then I reveal the solution. Q. Afrikaans for make. A.
Maak.
Q. Afrikaans for you do, singular. A.
Jy doen.
Q. Afrikaans for he does. A.
Hy doen.
Q. Afrikaans for she makes. A.
Sy maak.
Q. Complete the thought, he explains it, underscore 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 sense. A.
Dit maak.
Sin. Q. Afrikaans for we do. A.
Ons doen.
Q. Afrikaans for you, plural, do. A.
Julle doen.
Q. Afrikaans for they do. A.
Hulle doen.
Funny break. A tiny joke to make your memory stick. I tried to make a cake so perfect it would.
Maak.
Gordon Ramsay smile, accidentally I.
Maak.
A pancake instead. Silver lining.
Dit maak.
Breakfast easy. Speak it challenge. Your turn. Talk to me like a legend. Say 3 things you make today using.
Maak.
Example.
Ek maak.
Coffee.
Ek maak.
In Lee. Say 3 things you do today using.
Doen.
Example.
Ek doen.
My work.
Ons doen.
Oefening. Wrap up line. Now it makes sense.
Nou maak.
Dit sin. Outro and next steps. Great job, you showed up and spoke up. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Maak.
And.
Doen.
With your daily routines.
Sy maak.
Coffee.
Ons doen.
Die skatelgoed.
Dit maak.
Sin. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and fresh practice ideas. See you next time.